我的天哪，真的吗？ Wow, thank God I'm not a mom right now. Oof, that's a lot of stress trying to be a mom here in China. If you just watched this, I'm Stephanie, and I make videos on topics related to China. And today, we're going to talk about parent stress here in China and learn a couple of words that is trending right now. The first word is 鸡娃. Yes, you heard right. It's 鸡娃, literally means chicken child. Like, I don't even know how to translate that. I mean, it's intranslatable, I think. No. But that's the Chinese. We call it as 鸡娃, which means you are implying they have a helicopter parenting style. They have, I don't know, tiger mom or tiger dad, and they're super, super competitive, which has become the new norm here in China, particularly in bigger cities. Let's say Beijing, the capital city of China. Oh my God. That's just crazy, alright? And 鸡娃 also have the subcategories, as what I was reading just now. So apparently, you have 婚鸡. Now, 婚 here in the Chinese context, it means meat. 婚鸡 means those kiddos who are emphasizing, their parents are emphasizing on the results of their exams. So that is 婚鸡. Now, you have 素鸡. You can guess, 素 means vegetarian. Now, if 婚鸡means crazy about the scores. Now, Suzy is crazy about the talent. You gotta have something to show during some sort of performance, or impress the other children, impress the other, I don't know, parents, headmasters, everyone. Literally everyone. So yeah, you have 婚鸡 and 素鸡. Oh, if you don't send your kiddos to any other, extracurriculum studies or classes, then your child is called 家鸡, which means stay at home. If you send your kiddos to a lot of extracurriculum classes, then guess the name? It's 班级. I'm just like surprised. Okay? And of course, if you remember at the very beginning, I said 鸡娃, right? Like the 娃 is like the kiddo. So 娃 has a lot of different categories as well. Now the most regular ones, the frog, 青蛙. Remember, we are playing with the pronunciation, so you can already understand it in the normal context, right? And if you are super good, those excellent, genius kiddos, then you are called 牛娃. Because in Chinese, if we say something is wow, like we say it's very 牛, 真牛. So they are the 牛娃. If you're not 鸡娃, then that makes you a 小蝌蚪. Oh my God. 小蝌蚪. Oh, gosh. And if you started to train your kids to read the original version of those foreign books since they were little, then your kid would be called 原版娃. 原版 literally just means the original books. 原版. We call it 原版 in Chinese. Yeah. And here's a joke to wrap up today's vocabularies. Question. My kid is 4 years old, and they only know about 1,500 English words. Would that be enough? Reply with, certainly enough in America, but won't be enough in Beijing. I'm Stephanie, and that's today's show, and that's today's joke. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.